Hello friends, this is your girl Josy. If you are new here, you are welcome. Thanks for being part of my friends. If you are my OG, thank you so much. In today's video, I'm going to show you my setup for my variable expenses and my fixed expenses for 2024. I've been trying to do this video for like 3 days now. So keep watching. Hello friends, your girl is back. After I finished the 25 video for blood mix, I wasn't feeling well. But today I have to get a video out. It's getting to the end of 2024 and we really have to tell you what is going on with our variable expenses and our fixed expenses. You guys know how I'm so passionate about these two wallets that I have. So I'm going to tell you what is going where. And we're going to talk about the wallet that I'm using today, which I'm super glad to tell you that it's in stock. It's in stock. I think by the time you're watching this video, it's already live and stock on my shop. And I'm super excited for what you guys did when I stocked it first time. So it's back in stock. It took me a while. And for those of you who have been asking, I have a whole set of colors. Different colors you can choose from. I have the A6 that you can combine to match, mismatch. Yes. So now let's dive into my envelopes that I'm using 2024. It's not really fancy, but it's simple. As you guys know, I don't like fancy stuff. So let's go ahead and start with my variable expenses. My variable expenses is the same as my daily expenses. So for those of you know, I use this white wallet. It's the A6 as the variable expenses, and you guys have seen it a lot on this channel. This is a Motem A6, and it has a big pocket here. A lot of places to put your card. It has a big pocket also here for your coins, which you guys know I love saving my coins. I can't wait to do that 2024. You have another big packet for your papers, another one here. Then I already made my envelopes. So this is really simple envelopes. Your girl is not a designer, so I'm trying so hard. I'm learning almost every day. So let's put in the envelopes. I hope everybody is doing very well. And I'm also hoping that for me setting up my envelopes, it will motivate somebody who want to do cast staffing this year, who want to start. It will give you an idea where to start, what envelopes to get, what envelopes to start with. So I hope I will motivate somebody today. I was planning to give you guys my budget for 2024, July. My budget for 2024, how I'm setting it up every month. I wanted to do live about it. So I'm thinking whether I should or start in January because I'm not feeling well and it's almost the end of the year. So this year I have an envelope for blessing. I think I should start from the back so that I'll come to the front. Let's see. Okay. I have an envelope for bank run. It means that if I want to go to the bank to cash out, or in case I have money I have spent on my card and I have it the envelope in my wallet, I can take it to the bank. As a card staffer, it's not that we can't use card. We can, but we've already assigned cash for it. So when we spend it, we have to go put it back in our bank account. So that's why I have this envelope. So for me saying that, it doesn't mean that I have to spend on card a lot. If I spend on card a lot, it means I have to go to the bank a lot most times. So you spend on card only when it's emergency and you know that I cannot use my card. Most of the time I use my card roughly just a few times in a month. Yeah, then if I have the money in the envelope, I'll run to the bank and go deposit in the ATM. I have a miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is one of my favorite envelope. At times I put in like $10 for the whole pay period. In case there's something that I go over, I touch my miscellaneous. So miscellaneous is one of the envelopes. Like when you are starting, I think miscellaneous should be part of your envelopes. And as usual, I have my hair salon. My little girl and I, we're doing our hair and we have to pay for it. So we have hair salon envelope that I cast up every pay period so that in case we are going to do our hair, we would then find ourselves not having money. I have nails, of course. I have to go do my nails because I've been sick. I'm not able to do it, but I'll do it. I'm thinking of doing it before the year's end. I have clothing. I used to have the clothing in my bill binder, but I'm switching it here because I have kids and at times they need clothes and I wouldn't have my envelope with me. These envelopes are the ones I take with me all the time. Most of the time, this wallet stays in my car, in a certain compartment in my car. So I have that in case I have to run and grab something for them, for their clothing, I will have it here. Then the next envelope that I will do is my local store. My local store is where we buy our authentic African food. I'm from Ghana, so most of the time the food that we eat, they have to export it from Ghana or Nigeria or the African countries, and they have a shop close to us. So we go there and we shop a lot. My mom loves our local food, so I can't run away from it. And it is very healthy. I wouldn't say otherwise. Then my next one is eating out. You guys know how we love eating out. Maybe once a month as a family. We love having fun. So my family and I, we need that. Our date night. Date night is one of the things that me and my husband do. We love our date night. This year, we have a lot of stuff to save. So we are thinking of doing, instead of once a month, we want to do it every quarter. Because once a month, mostly, we will just go watch a movie, which we have a pass for it. So, at times, once a month is just like too much for us. That's what I would say. It depends on anybody. People would like to go every week, once a week, with their partner for date night. Me, we are not. We are fan of it. We like it, but at times we just do one thing, just going out to eat, which we don't want that. At times we just want to be in the house and relax. Okay, so I have Flash. Flash is our turtle. That's our pet, our family pet, and we love Flash. Flash got lost and it was emotional in this house. We love Flash, so that's our pet. I have Sam's Club and Costco. We buy a lot of box stuff. So this is what we have an envelope for. It's one of our priority envelopes. Then now that I'm going to, I have gas. I have grocery, which is a must. And I have blessings. So this year I have my blessing envelopes here. At times, if I cast off our blessing envelopes and we want to bless somebody, I wouldn't have the money with me, so I'm adding it to my daily wallet so that in case I need it, it's just right there. Then I'm going to put personal. I'm putting personal in front because this year I've decided that I have to pay myself before I do anything. Because at times my personal envelope really helps when it comes to me buying something and not tapping into going over my budget. So I love my personal envelope, and this year is going to be one of the year I want to prioritize that. We have to pay ourselves. We worked so hard. just to spend our money or just to buy unnecessary stuff, and we don't treat ourselves. So my personal is one of the envelopes that I will love to cast out every paycheck. Even if I have to pay myself $5 before I do anything, I'm going to do that. So that's all for the envelopes. Personal, blessings, grocery, gas, Sam's Club and Costco, flash, date night, eating out and fun, local store, clothing, nails, a salon, miscellaneous, and background. Okay. So that's just my wallet for my daily wallet, my variable wallet for 2024. So let's put that one here. And now let's look at our daily wallet. You guys know that this color is my daily wallet. It's the grape one. It's one of the most popular color that a lot of people were asking me. It's back in stock, super excited. And I also have this dashboard here, which I'm keeping. I'm not going to take it away. And we're going to put in the envelopes. Super excited. It's the same as the white, the same space, a lot of space in here. And very affordable, trust me. Very, very, very affordable. So now let's go ahead and put in my envelopes for my fixed expenses, which is also my bill binder. My first one is my miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is the one that I'll put a little money in case some of the bills jump around. I'll have money in here to cover it. Because I didn't do this in 2023, and at times some of the bills will go up a little bit, especially my electricity and my gas bill. My phone bills kind of jump around a lot too as well. It depends on what we use. So I have my Roth IRA, which my husband and I is trying to max our Roth IRA, which we need about $14,000 this year for the two of us. So I'm going to cast out the envelope so that we make sure we are on track with that. I have Apple One. I use my space through Apple. We have the Apple Music, which I love so much. I didn't used to have it, but having it, I really enjoy having it. I have my HSA. My HSA is normally, I have a little amount going to my HSA. I have two HSA. One is for the family and one is for myself and my husband, that we put in little money. And at times too, some of the savings that I get done, I put it in my HSA. So my HYSA, that's the High Heel Savings account. For those of you who don't know, now the interest is around 4.5. So if you don't have that account and you can have it, I urge you to have it. All this money that we are saving, we keep them in our HSA. Then I have my investment. I do a little investment with Cash App and also M1 Finance. So normally I'll cast off it so that I'll be able to do those investments every month. My social media is the stuff that I use for my YouTube, all my social media. That one has an envelope for it. I have subscriptions. So that one has an envelope. And now your girl has Cricut, which that's what I use for this design. And I pay for the subscriptions because I'm still learning through all this machine. Your girl is not a great designer. I'm learning everything from scratch. So if you see my mistake, don't worry, I'm learning. Then I have my car insurance. We have internet, past of our bills. We have our home gas, which is the gas we use. We have our electricity bill. which is also important. We need that. And I have my debt. Of course, you guys know how I talk about my debt a lot. So I have an envelope for that. I have my phone bill. And that last one is the mortgage. So these are all for my bills binder for 2024. For those of you who are starting car staffing, I hope this will motivate you to know which category you should start with. Most people don't do their bill binder because that was automatic goes to their account. I do my bill binder because I'm already a month ahead, which I'm going to talk about it a lot throughout the whole year for being a month ahead. So watch out for those videos. It's very, very, very important to be a month ahead. So that's why I cast off my wallet against the following month. So I already have bills set up for January. So all this one I'm going to cast off in January will be for February. How nice is that? So this is all my variable expenses. Like I said, I hope that it will give you an idea how to start. So this is all. So thanks for watching me today. I hope I will see you in tomorrow's video. Remember, tomorrow we are cast off in our 100 envelope. And I'm going to do the one for my husband and my kids. So I hope to catch you in tomorrow's video. Thank you for listening to my voice, which is not really nice at all. I'm not feeling well, but I really wanted to send you guys this video on your way to have an idea for 2024, which envelopes that I'm using and what will motivate you to do the same. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye, bye, bye.